Alrighty guys, what is going on? We are, of course, as you can tell, we are back at Hollister again. Solo mission this time. Just me and YZ Ripper. Finally got rain. Thank God for that. And check it out, it's muddy. Look at that. We're about to get after it. Like normal, the lower part is closed. The gate's closed and all that, but we're gonna get up in the high road and all that stuff now because it's a lot more funner to ride up there when it's wet. So we'll catch you guys out on the trail. Oh, that's sloppy! Yeah, bud! Ooh, coming hot right there! Super sloppy, dude. We just got it stuck into a hairy situation. Right off the bat. We got hung up on that root. Oh, and I fell out. Come on, come on. Can't let ourselves struggle so quick. Alright, see what we got here. Oh, there's no grip for my feet. We're leaving that in the video. We're gonna upload that because that's what it's all about. Excuse the burping. I'm just drunk. I just drank a crap load of water. So there you go. Right off the bat, struggled. I don't know why I came down here. Let's get after it. Squidward right now. Been so long since I've ridden in the mud. Not to say that's an excuse or anything, but don't see nothing, dude. Changes everything. You got trees down where they weren't. Like here. This is what I was talking about it. I don't think I ever ridden in the mud with this front tire, the IRC in the front. I was kind of curious to see how it does, and look at that. I kind of like trying to put myself in a hard washed out situation. And whoa! Oh. Yeah, boy! Slop! Oh shit! We had slop there, boys! Crazy, I hope you guys can see. using the goggles because a little dark. You don't want to slide off the trail. Look at that, we're cutting it close. What? Come on, neutral, where you at? I'm always finding you when I'm ripping. All right. See if we can move this tree because can I get by? Shit, talking mushrooms. Come on, come on. Woo! It's no joke out here, guys. Slippery. Sliding everywhere. I drank too much water, dude. I'm like bloated right now. Oh, oh yeah. I'm gonna leave this stuff in the video. If I ever come across something like this again, you guys let me know in the comments if you want me to keep it in the video or just cut it out. Cut it out of it, because I know some people think it's probably boring, but others, you know, think, hey, it's part of the adventure, right? You guys are on it from beginning to the end with me. So I'll leave this one in. And you guys let me know if next time I come across, you know, whatever trail maintenance or whatever you want to call this, a sticky situation or a crash and I have to get myself out, like in the beginning of this video, you guys comment, let me know if you say leave it in or cut it out. All right, guys, it's the end of this one. We're gonna chill here for a bit, probably get some shots because this is wicked sick right now. Just the moss, you know, the wet dirt. Look at that, us Californians. It's been a minute since we had some wet mud and dirt like this, so I'm pretty stoked right now. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Share this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Peace, guys.